Remember to push the button to get it filming.
I think I did, didn't I?
Let's see.
Yeah, record. Oh my god, I almost fell down right into Tim's camera. Another memories.
Ready, dude.
Jimmy, grab the camera. Film. I gotta help Tim out.
Man, she shot right under the boat. She's coming up. She's coming up.
Oh. Oh my. Oh my. I'm nervous right now, by the way.
Don't touch the line. Turn her head to you.
Got her?
Sweet.
I get nervous when fish are that big, and I'm responsible for grabbing it.
Timbo. Dude, that's a tote.
Oh.
This like comes naturally to me now. It's weird.
What's that?
Just holding the camera.
Okay.
Wait.
Haha.
That's right, the big fish.
That's a fish, baby.
It's a good fish.
Don't be doing anything behind my back. What? Oh, yeah,
Fish,
whatever.
thumbs up.
Right there, nice there. It's crazy.
Whatever. Yeah, versus his little bitty fish.
That's right.
That's awesome.
That's pretty awesome.
Grab my digital.
Pretty awesome fish there, Dave.
It's in the camera bag.
See, you don't even look at me when I say it.
And Jimmy points down the floor. You know, it's very hard for me to edit this stuff, so keep the camera on the fish.
Okay, whatever. Sorry,
Oh,
forgot
no.
about that.
I'll take a picture with this.
Yeah.
And
Hurry up, I want to get this in the water.
sorry, there's a fish on that one now. Okay.
Up and down. And make sure you zoom the right way, because you're a retard.
1, 2. Hold down a little lower so you see real fishing. Lower, lower, lower. Right there.
Wow.
1, 2, 3. Wait.
Nope, no waiting.
Take one picture with my phone.
Hurry.
I gotta put
Come on.
Twitter picture. 1, 2, 3.
Awesome.